Connect the Orca scanner to a desktop PC through a USB-C cable. Open File Browser and navigate to the Downloads folder of the Orca scanner. Proceed to the relevant Google Drive folder and download the RFID Keyboard APK file. Drag and drop the APK file you have just downloaded onto the download folder of the Orca scanner. Now disconnect the Orca scanner from the PC. Open the File app on the Orca scanner and locate the Downloads folder. Once here, install the RFID Keyboard APK file. After the installation is concluded, open Settings. Under the Language and Input section, you will find the current keyboard setting. From here, simply enable the RFID keyboard. From here, go to Apps and locate RFID Keyboard. Once found, enable camera permissions for the app. From here, you can now seamlessly scan RFID and barcode tags, enabling you to identify your stock in an automatic and efficient process.